Welcome to this course on how to edit a course promotional video using Final Cut Pro X. In this course we'll go through the interface of Final Cut Pro, demonstrating many of the features that the software has and some of the new ways of editing that Final Cut Pro offers. We'll then go through the process of editing the course promotional video from start to finish, taking through all the different stages that you might go through on editing a 1.5 minute promotional video. There are a few key points that are useful to understand, such as where to sort out the files and where to place them so that you can easily locate them outside of Final Cut Pro. Once we've done the basic editing, we then look at doing color correction, how to add titles, and how to use the templates, the animated templates, to create more interesting title sequences. And once the whole process is completed and the sound has been worked on, we then show you how to export the video using the share feature or sending it to compressor. If you are looking at ways to use Final Cut Pro, even if it's for a course video or for a music video, then this course will help you go through the processes that Final Cut Pro uses, which are a little bit different to many other packages. So why not enroll, and I look forward to seeing you soon.